Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update shipping labels with Shippo, complete guide step by step clearly. To update shipping labels with Shippo, start by logging into your Shippo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Shipments tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Shipments tab to view all existing shipments. Identify the shipment for which you need to update the shipping label. Click on the shipment to open its details. In the shipment details, look for the option that says Update Label. Click on Update Label to begin the process. You will see options to adjust shipping details such as weight, dimensions, and service type. Make any necessary changes to the shipment information. After updating the details, review the new shipping options presented. Select the preferred shipping service from the list available. Confirm the changes by clicking on the Generate Label button. Shippo will process your request and generate a new label. Once the new label is ready, you will see a preview on your screen. Download or print the updated shipping label as needed. Ensure to attach the new label to your package before shipping. Check back in the shipment details to confirm the updated status is reflected. Repeat these steps for any additional shipments requiring label updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.